Namaste, Hariom. There are several people who want to lose weight, and to lose weight, they opt for fat diets, which result into really harmful effects. And they often share Acharyaji, even after dieting, now my weight is increasing. What to do during the diet period? I faced the weight loss, I experienced the weight loss, but now it is increasing. See, I am absolutely against any kind of fad diet. I'm against any kind of dieting that you call dieting, because I feel that we should have some very easy rules for our diet, and we should be having a balanced diet every single day rather than going for any fad diet. So I will be sharing three simple ways with all of you. I'm sure most of you must be thinking, Arey Acharya ji is going to tell, do yoga abhyas, do physical exercise, do walking, but we can't do so much of workout, and that's the reason we are gaining weight, and that's the reason we find dieting a really good shortcut to lose weight, and that's why we opt for it, right? So fine, I'm not going to tell you need to do yoga abhyas, you need to do this and that. Today I'm just going to share three very simple ways to lose your weight without dieting and without doing much efforts. It is true that you should be doing yoga abhyas, because yoga abhyas is something, yogic practices, yogic lifestyle is something which you don't need only for weight loss, but you need that to maintain a healthy life at the level of body, mind, and soul. It is a wonderful way to keep your body healthy. It is a wonderful way to keep your mind at peace and happy, and to uplift your soul, uplift yourself, to elevate yourself. But if it is only about weight loss, yes, there are three very simple ways through which you can lose weight easily without any dieting. First is very important, understand it. In our great ancient Indian culture, it is said that you should fill your stomach half of your appetite. Okay, so when I say half of your appetite, it says that 1/4 of your stomach should be filled with water, 1/4 with air, and half should be filled with your food. Now you would say, that sounds pretty good. If I'll be eating half of my diet, definitely I'm going to lose weight. But question is, when food is in front of you, and sometimes your favorite food is in front of you, you find it really tough to control yourself, and you, instead of eating one pakoda, you end up eating 5 pakodas. Instead of eating one paratha, you end up eating 3 or 4 parathas, or instead of eating one sandwich, you end up eating 4 sandwiches. And then you say, bloating is there, acidity is there, I'm not feeling good, there is a lot of guilt that I ate so much, I am into my weight loss journey, still I'm eating so much, right? So there is a technique behind everything, and guru is always there to teach you that technique, to tell you that technique. So if you want to learn the technique of this 1/4 of water, 1/4 of air, and half of food, we need to follow one simple rule. And that simple rule is, before your every meal, half an hour before your meal, drink 2 glasses of water. 2 glasses of water before, like prior to your, half an hour prior to your meal. And then 15 minutes prior to your meal, you should be taking a bowl full of salad. Now, when you have already taken 2 glasses of water, that is something you have already filled your 1/4 with water. Then why we are taking salad is because, when we eat, most of the time we end up eating useless things. That's why it's very important that you eat salad 15 minutes prior to your main meal. That helps in two ways. One, you are eating healthy before eating unhealthy or whatever you are eating. And second, that is going to fill half of your food space, so you will be eating less. Now, what about 1/4 of air? So make sure that you eat that much, that you leave 1/4 for air. That you have to do consciously. Leaving 1/4 of air is definitely going to help you in weight loss, but also going to help you in better digestion. And better digestion means better health, better skin, better hair. You can see my hair. So many people ask, Acharya, what you do for your hair? These are some very simple techniques which I apply in my day-to-day life. So 1/4 for water, 1/4 for air, and half for your food. Rule number one. Rule number two, 7 p.m. has to be your time for your last meal. It means take a resolution, I'm not going to eat anything after 7 p.m. Now you would say that seems a bit tough. Not at all. There are several people who take their last meal by 5. There are several who take their last meal by 6. So at least I'm saying finish your food by 7. Now, question which generally people ask is what to eat after 7? Like, what if we feel hungry? Sometimes we work till late in the night. In that case, Shastra says that after sunset, you should not be eating anything. You can have milk after sunset. Now, there are several discussions on milk, but right now we are not going on to that. But the only preferred thing that you can take after sunset, after 7, is milk. Other than that, you should not eat anything after 7 o'clock. Now, third rule is very, very interesting. And if you can follow this third rule, you will definitely, like if you follow these 3 rules, you will definitely lose weight within 15 days. Third rule is cut all kind of white sugar in your diet. White or empty, we call it empty sugar. White sugar and things prepared with white sugar. So cut white sugar, fried and packed food. You know, when we go on fat diets, we are taking Dabbaban protein shakes as meal replacements. You don't even know what is there in that box. But food that you cook at home, you know what you are cooking, how you are cooking. So make sure that no sugar products, no fried food, and no packed food. This rule is going to really work wonders for you. So 3 very simple rules. 1, whenever you eat your food, make sure that you are eating half of your appetite, which means 1/4 area space you are leaving for water, 1/4 for air, and you're just eating half of your hunger. Second is, I'm not going to eat anything after 7 p.m. Third is, I'm not going to take any sugar or preparations made with sugar. I'm not going to take any fried food, and I'm not going to take any packed food. These 3 simple rules, if you follow them religiously, make sure that you reply me after 15 days how many kgs you have lost. What are you waiting for? Start from tomorrow. Wake up tomorrow morning, do some self-affirmations, do some self-talk. Tell yourself, I'm going to eat half of my appetite. I'm not going to eat any sugar, any fried or any junk, and I'm not going to eat after 7. You just need to tell yourself every morning these 3 statements 10 times and work is done. So tomorrow morning, weigh yourself, just see what is your current weight, write it down, follow this for 2 weeks, reply me after 2 weeks, your feedback and how many kgs you have lost. So I will be seeing you very soon again to watch our videos in English, Bharat Yoga English, and to watch all our videos in Hindi. Make sure that you subscribe to Bharat Yoga. At Bharat Yoga YouTube channel, we have more than 1,000 videos for you. So what are you waiting for? Go to Bharat Yoga, subscribe to that, and if you really want to send us your queries and you want to yourself to be seen at our YouTube channel, make a selfie video of yours and send that selfie video to us at Acharya Pratishtha Ji Instagram. So message me at that Instagram, and our team is going to make a video of your question video and my answer video, and we are going to show it at our channel. Till then, you stay happy, you stay healthy, and stay cheerful, be a yogi, live a yogic lifestyle.